this video we're going to look at about addition and subtraction of positive integers and negative integers. So, addition of a positive number to another positive number. Now this is stuff that you really know already. So we got 13 plus 12. Now you know that if we were to put this on the number line, that would really be plus 13 that you would be doing there. So plus 13 plus another 12 is going to give you 25. And that of course is plus 25. Addition of a positive number to a negative number. So let's say negative 11 plus 17. We don't really care on what order we add and subtract things, so we can rearrange this to get 17 take 11. And of course 17 take 11 is 6. Let's look at another one. Special thing about this first one was that the number which is negative is smaller than the thing that we're adding on. Let's consider now negative 18 plus 12. If you think about it, if we've got negative 18 and we're going up by 12, we're not going to reach 0. How much are we going to miss 0 by? Well, we're going to be negative, so that's why the negative sign's out the front. And we're only going to go up by 12, we're going to go the difference between 18 and 12, which is 6. So our answer for this one is negative 6. So when you've got a problem like this where the number that's negative is bigger than the number that is positive, you know the number is going to be negative, the answer, and then you find the difference between the two numbers, and in our case it's 18 take 12. Let's see what happens when we add a negative number to a positive number. So we have something like 3 plus negative 5. Let's look at our number line. We have positive end of the number line and a negative end of the number line. Now what we're going to do, we're going to look at it from this way. There's lots of different ways of doing it, but this is my favourite. The first sign that we look at, in this case it's a plus, is the direction we're going to face. So here we have a car coming in at 3 and we're facing the positive direction. The second sign, which is the one inside the brackets, is the direction we'll be travelling, and the number is how many units we go. So in this case, plus is forward, minus is backwards. We're going to travel. Okay, so here's our problem. We're going back by 5 units. If we travel back by 5 units, that's like saying 3 take away 5. The answer of 3 take away 5 is negative 2. Okay. Let's consider here where we've got 22 plus negative 15. We've just seen that when we're going plussing a negative, that's equivalent to just taking away. So that's going to be 22 take 15, which is 7. Second case, in this case we're going to look at a number like 13, and we added negative 17, which is bigger than it. That's going to be 13 take 17, two numbers together with two signs together like that, plus and minus, really means you're taking away the second number. So that's going to be, if we're going to take away 13, we'll get to 0, and we've still got to take some more. How many more do we have to take away? Well, what's left over after we've taken 13 away from 17? It's 4. So that's our answer for this one. Let's see what happens when we subtract a negative number from a positive number. Here's our number line again. Consider 4 take negative 7. Now, as with before, our first sign, the negative, is the direction to face. The second sign, in the brackets, negative, is the direction to travel, with plus being forward and negative being backwards. So here we are positioned on the number line at 4, facing the negative direction. We are now going to look at travelling backwards 7 units, and that is equivalent to adding 7. We're going if we're facing the negatives and going backwards, we're travelling in the positive direction. So negative and negative gives you a positive, and of course that's equal to 11. subtract a negative number from a positive number. So, what did we discover? We discover that if we have a negative and a negative, it's like adding whatever the number is inside the brackets. So in this case, 25 take negative 6 is the same answer as 25 plus 6, which is 31. Consider another one. 9 take negative 16. That's the same as 9 plus 16, which is 25. Rules to help when dealing with brackets. When the sign before the brackets is the same sign as the sign inside the brackets, then add the number that's inside. For example, 7 take negative 4 is the same as 7 plus 4. And 11 plus positive 5 is the same as 11 plus. When the sign before the brackets is different to the sign inside the brackets, then subtract the number. For example, 16 take positive 9 is the same as 16 take 9. And 16 plus negative 5 is the same as 11 take 5. That's it.